Hello, welcome to the Tech Hub Peak Cycles Dashboard Challenge. In this challenge, you're going to design a dashboard in an organized way. First, open up the Peak Cycle pre-made visual file that I attached in the challenge. I made visuals for you because the focus of this challenge is to designing the dashboard, not creating each visualizations. Okay, let's begin. So open up the file. Okay, this is what you see in the file. Okay, as I instructed in the challenge post, there isn't not a single way to organize these visuals. It's totally up to you. But before I organize them, I'm going to create a title for this dashboard. So to do that, as I talked about it in the hints and suggestion section, I'm going to go to the insert and create a text box. I'm just gonna type it here like peaks cycles dashboard, and maybe I'm gonna increase the size to like 40. The font size is 40, and I'm gonna align it to the center, and I want to add more background to this text box. So you can do that by changing the design. If you go to the pane on the right that says format text box, you can see the title. Or sorry, you actually have to go to the effects, and then you can choose the background color. I'm just gonna choose this color because that's what I used for the solution file. It's either this or this, doesn't matter much, but I'm gonna use this, and I'm going to create a border for the text box. The color is black, and I'm gonna make the border with the rounded corner, and I gonna just add some shadow to make it look more fancy. Okay, so I'm gonna just bring it down a little bit. Okay, now we have the title. We are going to organize these visuals now. So I'm gonna organize by locating this slicer first. I'm gonna shrink the size a little bit, and I'm gonna place it on top right. Slicers are usually placed on the top, bottom, left, or right because they are helping to see other visuals. Alright, so I'm just gonna place it on the top right, and then I'm going to place this line chart on the top left. I'm gonna adjust the size a little bit, and I'm going to move this to the right, and gonna bring this map underneath that line chart and adjust the size a little bit. There is no reason why I'm doing this way. I am doing this way because I think that looks makes sense to me. But if you don't agree with this organization, you can just do whichever way you want to do. This is just one example, and I'm going to place that bar chart here, and I'm going to move this table here. Okay, so this is the solution video, and again, this can be multiple outcomes depending on how you prefer to organize your visualization. I just wanted to give you the basic idea of how to organize the dashboard. So thank you for watching this video.